वेलकम टू परवाज एक नई उड़ान। प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। डियर स्टूडेंट, टुडे वी आर लर्न 10 lines on Mahatma Gandhi ji in English. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. This day is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi ji is also called Bapu. Gandhi ji's wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had 4 sons, Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devdas. The name Mahatma was given to Gandhiji by Rabindranath Tagore. Gandhiji was the winner of the Time Magazine of the Year award in 1930. On 30 January 1948, Gandhiji was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. Thanks for watching.